Alright people, so I think that I kinda prepared this already, but this is literally, it's gonna be my second flight with the Mavic Mini. So you'll stick this here, kinda just like that. You press once, then you press and hold, and the same you gotta do here. So you open the propellers. I'll take the safety off, and you press and hold. Okay, this kind of starts it up. I'll press connect the aircraft. Okay, and we are there. Bam. So now it's searching the satellites, and I see that it already did. I got about 30% battery left, which is more than enough. So now it's doing something here, so I'm waiting. I'll check this here. Okay, I have max distance. I'll put that down. Okay, I'll put these to about, I don't know, 350 max altitude. It's a little bit windy, so I put that like this, and I got nothing around me today. Oh nice, there's a little sunset going there. Okay, so IMU normal, compass normal, so it should be fine. And we just press this, bam. Okay, that was easy. We'll press record here. Hi, hey, how's it going? Okay, and now sunset is great, man. Oh nice, it's right over there. Oh, the view looks amazing, man. Max altitude reached. Okay, will not be going crazy. Try to shoot just a little bit around. Okay, actually feels pretty good, feels pretty easy. We have, let's see, over there, Velká Javořina, the biggest hill over here, and like with this here, fly with caution. Okay, we will return to home promptly. Okay, so I'm descending then. All right, And this is what it is, boy. Okay, so what are we going to do now? As I have one more battery here. Anyway, you know, this was my first flight with the Dji Mavic Mini. It is very easy to operate, and I'm running it on iPhone 5S, which is my old phone, and actually it is compatible. The screen is very small, but you know, it's the best phone I have to be compatible with that. So I hope you liked the video. If you do, or if you did, just don't be afraid to hit that like button. I will appreciate that. And I still have about 15-20 minutes of the light, so I'm going to fly some more. Thank you for watching, have a great day, and see you in the next video. Thanks.